Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a double boat. So this is a very easy way of making a paper double boat and it is useful too. So in Tamil, we call this as a Erattai Kappal. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first, for this activity, we only need a square piece of paper. So I'm taking pink. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half. Like this. Step number 2 is that we're supposed to open this paper and we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. Like this. Now we have to turn the paper to opposite side and we have to fold it in half. Like this. Now we have to open it and we have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line again. So now we just have to open this part and we have to keep our hands inside it. So I'm just going to keep a few of my fingers inside it. So we have to open it like this and we have to press on it from the top like this. So we have to repeat the same step on the opposite side as well. Now I'm doing it on the opposite side. Like this. So after we complete this, we'll have a structure like this. And we just have to fold the paper like this in half. And we have to turn the paper to the opposite side. And we just have to keep our fingers in. And our boat will be ready. So now we'll be seeing how to make a paper rope for the boat. So for this activity, I'm taking a rectangular piece of paper and I'm folding it in half. Like this. Now, I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line. Now we just have to open one side of the paper and we have to overlap it on top of the first paper and we have to roll it again like this. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a scissor and just cutting out a design on the top like this. So this will make the boat more beautiful. So after we complete this, our rope is ready and our double-seater boat is ready as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!